So far, we have seen the feature service item object in ArcGIS Online with the ArcGIS API for Python. Here, we're going to take a look at what's known as a feature layer collection object. This feature layer collection object gives us more in-depth access to properties and settings for a feature service. Now, in this video, we're just going to look at how we can create a feature layer collection object. And in the following videos and throughout this course, you are going to use the feature layer collection object extensively. So open up the FLC object.py script from the feature layer collection object folder. The feature layer collection object exposes a feature service with access to properties and settings and to feature layers and tables. In other words, a feature layer collection object represents a feature service in ArcGIS Online. In this video, we're going to look at two ways that we can create a feature layer collection object from our feature service item object. We're going to create the feature layer collection from the class itself and also use a class method called fromitem. I'll head over to documentation for a feature layer collection. Feature layer collection is the Python API representation of a feature service. If we take a look at the class constructor, we can see it takes a URL. This is the URL to the feature service item. And optionally, you can supply in the GIS, which is the GIS class. We're going to use the class constructor along with the fromitem class method. The fromitem method takes an item object, and when that item object is of type feature layer collection, a feature layer collection object is created. So the item object is required, and we convert the item object to a feature layer collection object. Let's head back to our script. Up top, we are importing the GIS class so we can access ArcGIS Online. And from ArcGIS.features, we are importing the feature layer collection class so we can create the feature layer collection object. We first access ArcGIS Online using the GIS class, and we'll assign the calling of that to a variable called AGOL. We're going to create a variable called FLC_URL. And here we're going to access our GIS object and the content manager and use the get method where we need to supply our feature service item ID, which I'm going to paste it now from my notepad. The get method will return an item object. From this item object, we are accessing the URL property. So the FLC_URL variable will represent the URL to our feature service item in ArcGIS Online. I'm going to create a variable called FLC for feature layer collection and set that equal to the feature layer collection class, where we're going to set the URL to equal our FLC_URL and the GIS to equal AGOL, our GIS object. We're then simply going to print the FLC variable to screen. I'm actually going to print the type of that variable too, and I'll run the script. So we can see when we printed our FLC variable, it is a feature layer collection, and we can see the URL for our feature service, which is the REST endpoint for our feature server. We then printed the type of the FLC variable, and we can see it is also a feature layer collection. I'll comment out the first example. And in the second example, we are going to use the feature layer collection object class method fromitem to create a feature layer collection object. Once more, we are going to use the GIS object and the content manager get method, and I will paste in the item ID. The get method will return an item object. We are not using the URL this time, we are using the item object. I'm going to assign the item object to a variable called item. I'll create a variable called FLC and I'll set that to equal our feature layer collection object dot from item. This takes one parameter, which is the item, and we'll set that to equal our item object. And we'll simply print the FLC variable to screen. I'll run the script. And we can see once more we are returned the same feature collection with the same URL as the previous example. So we've successfully used two different options for creating a feature layer collection object that represents our feature service in ArcGIS Online with the ArcGIS API for Python. Make sure to continue on to the next video in this series and also make sure to subscribe. Take care.